Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about something different. I will be don't teach you photography, don't show you behind the scene or how to photography product or food or something like that. But we talk today if I had start the photography from zero, this is what I will do. I am Monica from Fotoinshadows, and on my channel you find a lot of video about food photography, product photography, how to work with lights, how to work with artificial light and more things behind the scene design. Today I have for you 7 advice if you start photography now from zero, what you should to do to speed your photography, learn quickly, grow faster in your photography, speed your photography, and don't make this all mistake what I done. The first advice is choose one niche and get really good at this, because if you choose 5 niche and you are good but not very good, like you are specialist in one niche or maybe 2 niche, help you to be confident in photography. Because if company looking for somebody for maybe portrait photography or maybe cars photography, and you are exactly specialization is this cars photography and portrait photography, will be hire you. Company don't care how many specialization you have. If you have exactly beautiful portfolio and your specialization in car photography, will be hire you straight away. You must be the best in this niche, not little good or good. You must be the best and choose one niche give you to speed your photography. And if you know which niche you want to grow, is the best, because you can focus on this niche and make yourself better and better photographer exactly in this 1 or 2 niche. Second advice is start to work with this what you have. Don't looking for excuse. I don't have good camera, I don't have good lens, I cannot photography product, I don't have nothing to show, I cannot photography people because I don't have too much friends or something to, my friends always is busy, don't have time to go with me and do maybe lifestyle photography in pleasure or somewhere else. No, take what you have, don't make excuse on everything. Start to work with this what you have. First, this help you to be more confident. How to work with the lights, how to work with the composition and more things. If you practice every day with this what you have, maybe it's cheap camera, maybe cheap lens, but believe me, you will be more confident, you will be understand everything how work around. Later, when you buy expensive gear, you buy expensive camera lens, straight away you will be know how to use, you will be don't have problem to work with this what you exactly have. Advice number 3, learn to basic how work the camera, understand the ISO, aperture, shutter speed, because this is the same in any type of photography. When you use your camera, doesn't matter which camera, and you want photography people, you want photography food, you want photography landscape, wedding photography, these 3 parameters you must to know how to use and work with this in different situation. Maybe it's too bright, maybe it's too dark. You must set up your camera. Maybe you must take speed shoot. The same, you must to set up your shutter speed. When you photography the drinks and you want to do the splash, you must to learn how to work with shutter speed. That's 3 parameters is the basic camera, and you should straight away to learn this, because you can use this each type of the photography what you choose for your photography. Advice number 4 is don't buy new camera, don't buy too much gear. Maybe for beginner buy second-hand camera, don't must be expensive. You should invest money in lens. I learned this from 7 years experience. The lens is more important than camera what you have. I will be buy camera second hand, good camera but second hand, but I will be invest money in new lens. Believe me, 2 new lens, like maybe for food photography and product photography, I will be buy the lens 50 millimeters and 24-70, because first is good lens for start. 50 millimeters is not so expensive. 24-70 I can change the zoom, and this is amazing when I must do photography in a restaurant. I have camera 1 position and I must to zoom this and take photo close. I can do 2-3 photo different close far if I have that lens, and I will be invest only little money in gear what I need. I will be didn't buy too much gear what is so expensive. I will be start from few buy what I really need, like tripod, lights, camera and lens. And that's it, what I will be invest for beginner. Advice number 5, have your website. I have my website on Squarespace. This is not sponsoring this video. I say where I use. I use on Squarespace because it's easy to do there everything. I set up myself everything. How looks my website? You can see here, or this, I left the link below if you want to see my website how looks. But believe me, I can easily change myself. I'm not good person with that things like to do website and more things. I don't understand. I must spend so much time. But there is so easy to work there, to change the to set up everything step by step. And on YouTube channel you can find a lot of video about Squarespace, how to set up your website there. But back for the advice. Why I talk about website? If you want to be professional photographer, if you want to be photographer and you want share for with your job, you can put there your the best. But remember, the best photos what you took. Don't must be so many. It's like if you are food photographer, maybe food, restaurant, product photographer. It's like 2-3 category. You can set up there for 10-15 photos. That's it. But remember the best photos, because company always looking for the best photos, the best quality, and company want this. If you have website, you can show your job. You can have new clients. You can see how you grow from 1 year to this year in photography. Straight away you visit your website, you see the photo, you are so proud how you changed your photography last year and this year. That is good to have the website. Advice number 7 is editing your photo. This is something what you must to do. I know a lot of people think like, I don't need too much time to editing, the photo looks good. This is not about this. Editing is for you. You learn how to work with the program like Lightroom, Photoshop, make better photo, show your skills like editing, and other things, show your way to photography, because when you editing, you show your style, how you see the photo, how you really see and feel the photo. Is that editing. This you can learn step by step every day little, but don't forget to editing your photo. This is very important. Completely change your photograph. The advice number 7, and this is last advice, level your skills. Always learn something new, practice something. The photography is never ending. You will be always learn. The trend all the time change. Every year is different trend for the photography. Which type of photographer you are, the trend change. Every year is something different. If you invest time to learn about photography, to learn new skills, to learn new style, you will be always grow, and this is the best for you. One thing what you can do here, you can book with me online consultation. This give you to grow in photography, speed your photography, because the online consultation is only 1 hour and you choose the topic what you want to learn. If you want to know more about this online consultation, the link you find below. But if you're looking for more information how you can grow photography faster, visit my YouTube. You can find there more video about that topic.